Vegetarian cotton separation line. Production line explanation. Complete diapers, menstrual pants, sanitary The cotton lifting machine can break and separate the raw materials. Separated non-woven diaper skin. Enter the batter through the conveyor. The purity of diaper skin after packing crystal cotton machine separation is 98%. Wood pulp cotton separated from the cotton lifting machine. The polymer fine fan is fed into the polymer screening machine. Polymer screening machine separates wood pulp cotton from polymer. The separated wood pulp cotton is winded into the cotton warehouse. 高分子分离后进入历史高分子筛选机。After being screened by two historical polymer screening machines. The recycled polymer is clean and free of impurities. Intelligent electric cabinet control in all links in the middle. Fully automatic production. A production line only requires 2 to 3 people. Manual is mainly responsible for the collection of incoming and outgoing materials. Electricity consumption depends on the specific plant, equipped with different power motors.